AFROTC stands for the Air Force Reserve Officer Training Corps, and it's a program whose mission is to develop Air and Space Force leaders of character who are prepared to fight and win the nation's wars.
ROTC builds college leadership that helps students grow to be future officers here currently, and it develops leadership, fitness, and overcoming challenges along the way. What I personally like about ROTC is the community here. Everyone comes in with different levels of experience, but it really shows you how to build that leadership and how to utilize every team player with strengths and weaknesses. As well as ROTC has built the leader I am today and give me some great connections as well.
What I like most about ROTC is the challenges they put you through. They remind me of strategy games where I keep constantly trying to come up with the best possible solution to the problem.
What I like about Air Force ROTC is the relationships that you're able to form. You're able to form such great bonds with the people that you're working with because you're all working towards the same goal and you're working hard together. You have to do some hard things, and when you're working together with those people, you can form great bonds. I also enjoy the activities and the training, getting ready for your military career.
What I find to be successful in ROTC is you don't have to be perfect. Make sure you come prepared to make mistakes, be willing to learn, be open to feedback, develop your time management, and most importantly, be absorbent and humble.
Detachment 17's drone program at Troy University is the first of its kind within Air Force ROTC. Built from the ground up to produce operationally capable cadets, no other program has developed career-ready leaders like ours has. Through a high-tempo curriculum, hands-on flight operations, and real mission execution, our cadets train under conditions that expose them to the demands they will face as future officers. Detachment 17 was instrumental in securing the first remote pilot badges for cadets, based on aviation knowledge and achievement. This badge is a direct result of training, innovation, and discipline. Our drone program was established to go beyond generating interest in aviation. It exists to push cadets past baseline standards and into mission readiness. Through this program, cadets learn to brief, plan, execute, and debrief complex operations with the goal of both teaching practical life skills and sharpening their operational capability. The mission is simple: produce leaders of tomorrow who are able, adaptable, and ready to contribute to the fight. We are Det 17 at Troy University. Come join us in Air Force ROTC to fly, fight, and win.